Hey there. So I was sent over these garage shelves to set up and give you guys my thoughts on it. So let's go over some things and see how easy setup was. So to start, you are gonna get everything you need in the box. It's ready to go. Everything is labeled on the directions as to what it is and to how many parts there are. It comes with all the parts for the shelf, as well as a pair of gloves if you want to use those, the instructions, and a mallet for tapping everything into place. So the shelving itself is steel. The underside has this ribbed part to give it more stability. Each shelf will hold up to 260 pounds. The actual unit itself will hold up to 1,300 pounds. And I've got plenty of stuff to put on it to put it to the test. I did feel that the instructions provided were pretty easy to follow. Everything was written on the front as to what to do. It took me probably about 45 minutes to put it together, start to finish. The backside has all the parts listed, as well as how many, depending on the number of shelves on your unit, each part has. I really liked that these were provided. They go on the top and the bottom of the shelving unit. So on the bottom, it provides stability for the shelf. And on the top, it actually covers up some of those edges that are a little bit sharper. So I really like that. The hammer that came with it, I will say, not my favorite. I actually swapped out and used my own rubber mallet. I felt that that helped me a little more, but by all means, this comes with it. So if you're using this, you don't need any additional tools. Let's put on the final shelf and see how easy that is. It just slides in and then rests right in the groove. Now it's ready to go to load up. I felt that it was easy to put together, did not take me a lot of time. Instructions were easy to follow. I like that it came with everything needed. I hope this helps you decide on if this shelving unit is a good product for you.